Good afternoon, students. Today we will study the next topic, that is the transpiration. Transpiration. That means loss of water from the plants. You know, plant or all living organisms that require water for living life, for growth, for enlargement of cell. Every plant that required water, and that water absorbed by plants with the help of roots from the soil and by the process of ascent of sap that goes towards upwards. Now, out of total water absorbed by roots, only 5% of that water that required for plant to growth and for the enlargement of cells, and remaining 95% of water, that 95% water are that are lost, maybe in the form of vapors, or that may be in the form of liquid. Here, water loss from the plants in the form of vapor, that is called as transpiration. What is transpiration? What is transpiration? Loss of water in the form of vapor, that is called as transpiration. And if loss of water that takes place in the form of liquid, then it is called as guttation. Guttation. Now, can you see the water loss from the plant? दिसते का झाडांमधून किंवा झाडाच्या पानामधून खोडामधून पाणी कशा तऱ्हेने निघते, दिसते का आपल्याला? नाही, बिकॉज दॅट आर इन दी फॉर्म ऑफ व्हेपर, वाफेच्या रूपामध्ये निघते. लॉस ऑफ वॉटर इन दी फॉर्म ऑफ व्हेपर, that is called as transpiration. And if that is in the form of liquid, sometimes you passes, आपण झाडाच्या खालून कधी जाताना दिसलो तर वॉटर ड्रॉप्स आपल्या बॉडीवर पडताना दिसतं, किंवा मग डिंकाचा प्रकार, that are the loss of water in the form of liquid, and that process is called as guttation. Guttation means loss of water in the form of liquid, that is called as guttation. In our study, there is a transpiration. Transpiration means loss of water in the form of vapors. Now, transpiration are of three types. Here, three types of transpiration. Among that three, first one, that is the stomatal transpiration. You know stomata, पर्णरंध्र, पानावरची छिद्र. In plants, stomata, that is maximum stomata that is present in leaf, and again the stomata also present on stem, flower, fruit. Now, that stomata responsible for the evaporation, or that responsible for the loss of water in the form of vapor, or for the exchange of gases also during daytime only. Now, transpiration, maximum transpiration that takes place through that stomata, and near about 90% of that transpiration occurred takes place through the stomata. Now, what is the structure of stomata? Here, structure of stomata. Stomata having two kidney sac guard cells. Stomata having two kidney sac that are the guard cells. Kidney sac guard cell, and that kidney sac guard cells, two kidney sac guard cell that shows a space in the center. That space are pore, that is called as stomatal pore or stomach pore, and surrounded by subsidiary cells, and which covered by epidermal cells. Now, in guard cell, there is a presence of nucleus and chloroplast. Now that opening, stomatal pore, that is responsible for the transpiration or loss of water in the form of vapor. That is the stomatal transpiration. Stomatal transpiration, it is maximum 90% of total transpiration. 90% of the transpiration occurs through stomata, that is the stomatal transpiration. Now, second transpiration, that is cuticular transpiration. Now, cuticle, it is the outer epidermal above the epidermis. There is a covering on leaves and stem, that is called as cuticle. Now, cuticular transpiration, that is the moderate, medium. 9% that transpiration occurred through with the help of cuticle, that is the cuticular transpiration. Now, third transpiration, that is the lenticellular transpiration that occurred through lenticels, called as lenticellular transpiration. It is minimum among that of three types of transpiration. Lenticellular transpiration is minimum, and lenticell, that is nothing but the pores, holes, children, parenchymatous cell that present on bark, झाडाची साल वरची, on the bark of the stem, and only 1%, 0.9 to 1% of that transpiration occurred through lenticell, that is the lenticellular transpiration. Now, what is transpiration? Explain its types. What is transpiration? Loss of water in the form of vapor, that is called as transpiration. Three types. First one, stomatal transpiration. Second one, cuticular transpiration. Third one, lenticellular transpiration. Now, first one, stomatal transpiration. If transpiration occurred through stomata, called as stomatal transpiration. Stomata present on stem, leaf, fruit, flower. Now, maximum transpiration occurred through stomata, and 90% of total transpiration, 90% transpiration occurred through stomata. So, it is the maximum. Second one, medium or moderate transpiration, that is the cuticular transpiration. Definition: if transpiration occurred through cuticle, called as cuticular transpiration, cuticle present on lip and stem on the upper side of the epidermal cell, it is the moderate 9% among the total transpiration that occurs through cuticular transpiration. And third one, lenticellular transpiration. Definition: if transpiration occurs through lenticels, it is called as lenticellular transpiration. Among the three types, lenticellular transpiration, that is the minimum, 1% of transpiration occurs through lenticels, and lenticel, where it is present, on the bark of trees. Lenticel makes that bark porous, and through that water comes out, evaporate. Now, opening of stomata, that takes place during daytime only. During daytime, stomata opens. During night time, stomata close. Okay, next time we will study